Hey, this is Ran, and this is your devotional. God is an all-powerful, all-knowing, supreme being, and He created every single one of us in His image. That doesn't mean that we're not going to mess up, because everybody makes mistakes and everybody messes up. Just like in the prodigal son, where the son demanded for his inheritance of the money from his father, but then spent it foolishly. But when he realized what he did, he went back to his father and asked him for forgiveness, and his father welcomed him back into his family with open arms. That is exactly what God does when you ask for His forgiveness. He's always ready to welcome you back into His arms because He wants you to be part of His family more than anything, and He loves you. Now I'm going to read from Luke 15, verse 32. We had to celebrate this happy day, for your brother was dead and has came back to life. He was lost, but he is now found. See, this is exactly how God's going to respond when you ask for His forgiveness. He is ready for you to come back and be a part of His family. So don't waste any time and ask for forgiveness because He loves you more than anything.